It's no secret that this year Yamaha has not exactly been the most competitive bike on the grid. But next year, well, they're adding a little bit of spice to this with Alex Rins joining the team for 2024. You've got a 6-time Motogp winner, a 18-time podium winner or podium placer, however you want to say it. Now joining with the 2 years ago, Fabio Quartararo won the championship. So they're not okay. I don't know how to say this because I don't think Franco Morbidelli is slow. He hasn't really proved that he's competitive on this bike, and who knows where he goes or what happens with this. And everything could be exactly the same next year. Maybe the name change doesn't really matter and they're not competitive again. But I'm going to say between Quartararo and Rins and, well, Yamaha's just want or need, I guess, to be competitive in MotoGP. They're not going to have a slow bike next year. They've got to push some power out of that engine, whether it's something with a chassis, which who knows what they can do there, more aero to make it, I don't know, or just a bigger engine, or go V4 like everyone else does. I don't know. I think it's going to be a good year next year. Hopefully Honda, who everyone seems to be jumping ship from right now. I mean, Rins signed them. He's only raced half a year and he's already moving on to a different brand. Doesn't exactly bode very well for Honda, but Yamaha is going to have a really good team next year with a MotoGP championship winner, multiple, race winner and podium winner, or podium contender, whatever you want to call it, Rins. Hopefully next year we have not a Ducati championship like they do this year. But in the comments below, you tell me, does he do well? Does it matter that he moves to a different team and Ducati's just going to keep winning? Does Yamaha have to switch over to the V4 and to be competitive? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe while you're down there. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.